If you don't want to suffer in old age, there are 7 things you must do before it's too late.
Viewers all over the world, as you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm na tata. Come react here to this trending wise counsel. Ihe ọbụ na ihe kwesịrị ịma. Ụfọdụ na-ekwu okwu sị na life no balance, but I can tell you without missing words, life ama enye gị ihe chọrọ on a plate of gold. It cannot be sleeping. That's your future life, your dream life, what you are longing for. You must build it yourself. Old age is not painful. What is painful is at that old age, you discover there were so many things which you did not achieve. There were so many things. Either I can chalk or an email, but he made her on a wood on a bawubi. But he had not checked what a teaching time saves 9. Now in Anunu. Those 7 things you could pay attention. Pay attention to yourself. Have your vision very clear. Hosea 4:6 says, my people are suffering because of lack of vision and knowledge. So seek vision, seek knowledge. So that he will marry he could at every given time. Because if you lack vision and knowledge in career, you are going to have finished. Again, never you build your future on nothing. Because when you are building your future on human being, you will be disappointed. Because even we human beings, according to creation stories in the Bible, we disappointed God who made us in his own image and likeness. We pleases him. So since we can disappoint our creator, what made you to think that your children will not disappoint you? What makes you think that your family, your partner will not disappoint you? I will advise you to take your destiny into your hands. Always plan for your future. Yes. Etesiri ka echi gị ga-adị ka echi gị ga-adị. Bido tata kwadowo maka echi gị. Don't put your destiny in another person's hands by thinking, let me build on this person so that this person will build on me. I'm not saying that you cannot build somebody, but don't depend on that person for your later days. Build somebody, help somebody out of free will, but don't do it and hurt yourself. Because that person you are building your trust on might disappoint you. And it will pain you at that point if you go helpless. That's now, what you place your trust on. Okay, pain at that old age when you will not be able to do anything. So, bidokita build where your future. Bidokita chubego. Bidokita plan way to your future. Pay attention to your health. Pay attention to your peace. Pay attention to what you depend on. Financial leveraging. Very important. Listen to this video and learn from it. Thank you.
If you don't want to suffer in old age, there are 7 things you must do before it's too late. Old age doesn't hurt because of the years. It hurts because of everything you didn't do when you still had the chance. It hurts when you spend your life living for others and forget yourself. And it hurts most when you finally need support and realize there's no one there. Number 1. Don't depend on anyone. Not on your children, not on your partner, and not even on family. Dependence forces you to tolerate situations that slowly destroy your dignity. Save money, create your own income, and stay active. Independence isn't a luxury, it's protection. Number 2, don't give everything away. Not your time, not your energy, and not your health. Help others, but don't erase yourself for them. People leave and lives change. If you empty yourself completely now, no one will refill you later. Number 3, take care of your body while it still listens to you. Every late night, every skipped meal, and every ignored warning adds up. Old age doesn't bring pain suddenly, it just shows the result. Move your body, eat well, and rest when needed. Health is freedom. Without it, everything becomes harder. Number 4, let go of unnecessary burdens. Release guilt, resentment, and old wounds. Many people grow old bitter, not because of age, but because of what they carry inside. Forgive if you can, or walk away if you must, but stop living trapped in the past. Number 5, build a life, not just a routine. Many people wake up one day and realize they only survived years instead of living them. Work, responsibilities, and obligations are important, but so is joy. Create moments that belong to you. Learn, travel, create, and experience life while you still can. Number 6, choose carefully who stays close to you. Distance yourself from those who constantly criticize, drain you, or use you. Old age doesn't hurt because you're alone. It hurts because you're surrounded by the wrong people. Number 7, keep your faith strong and your heart connected to God. People may fail you, strength may leave you, wealth may come and go, but God remains constant. In old age, faith becomes your greatest companion. Build your relationship with God now, not out of fear, but out of trust. When everything else fades, faith gives meaning, comfort, and hope beyond this life. So protect your money, protect your health, and protect your peace. Be careful who you allow into your life and stay close to God. Old age doesn't punish you, it only reveals how you lived. And by then, it's too late to rewrite the story. If this message spoke to you, comment, "I am prepared," and share it with your friends. May God guide your path, protect your peace, and give you a healthy, fulfilling life.